Good evening. We are on our way to Connor and Karina's new house, and I'm super excited to go see it. It's our first time being there.
Yep.
And we're trying to be cute adults, and we got them a little housewarming gift. I mean, just paper towels. Tell them the saying that goes with it. Tell them it. May your house never know.
May your house never know a mess.
We're trying to be so cute.
Is that what it was?
Sure. It's hailing though. Look how insane this weather is. This is madness! It's so raining.
Imagine me and you, I do. I think about you day and night. It's only right to think about the girl you love and hold her tight. So happy together.
Good girl.
Bye. She's done.
Oh, baby Taste. He loves you. He loves his Aunt Karina.
Are we best friends?
Look what Karina got for me. It's a mom and a baby. Good morning, everybody. More like afternoon, actually. It is like 11:30, and I'm only telling you because it is relevant to the video as to what time it is. Because look at my freaking hair. This video is going to be a documentation about my cleanse that I'm going on. I have just been having insane belly issues after being poked and prodded like a billion times and just getting all these tests done to figure out what is going on with me. It is still unknown. A friend told me about this kind of cleanse thing where you basically only eat alkaline foods. It's very limited on the foods that I can eat, so I was just gonna kind of document my progress. Not my progress, I was just gonna kind of document. It's basically, yeah, my cleanse. So I don't know what I'm saying. So it is now breakfast time. Actually, it is like more like lunchtime. And this is what I hate about myself is that I do not eat until I'm like starving. And that is probably not going to fly with this cleanse. If you don't meal prep, you're screwed. Technically it's only 10:30. I don't know why I was thinking it was 11:30. That's embarrassing. So I am going to be eating my breakfast because I'm starving. And I know for a fact that I can have olives. Basically what I'm saying is I really need to look in and make a meal prep. I don't know why I haven't done that earlier because I knew I was going on this cleanse. Oh, that's a babish. This is what I'm going to be having for breakfast. Breakfast. There's acidic and alkaline foods. So basically you only eat alkaline foods. Basically what it's supposed to do is just kind of heal your gut and just heal whatever inflammation or whatever's going on in the belly area. I'm just super desperate, so I'm willing to try like anything. So I just got home from shopping and I'm gonna show you guys what I got because I'm super proud of myself. So little guy over here is holding the cucumber. Got watermelon, kiwi, almonds, bananas, pineapple, lemons. I cannot eat potatoes. Squash, olives, lentils, apples, sweet potatoes, pears, carrots, strawberries, corn, mushrooms, spinach, grapes, cherries. Pretty much everything I just named is all I can eat. I think I'm still gonna have a hard time. So here we go. Day one, breakfast, olives. Lunch, I don't know. Hey little guy, what you got? You got some cucumber? Oh my goodness, what do you have? Oh my gosh. So it's about 3:50 today. And so far I've had a banana figs and I showed you what I had. I don't know why, but I like need Cheez-Its. I'm like, try not to get emotional about it.
Heart on fire, set my heart afire. Yeah.
right, this is now my second trip back to the store. Taylor's here this time.
Hi guys.
I really want this porch swing. Also, I came back because there's a bunch of things that I realized were yummier to eat than others.
Babe.
I guess we have to buy it now.
Should we use this?
Yeah. Shoot. Babe, that was your fault.
That's your job.
Okay, I need to go. What would you do in this situation? Just pretend like it didn't happen after you clean it up or what? Anyways, we came back here again because there's certain foods that I'm like, these are delicious, I need 100 more of these, aka cashews and green beans. So I sent Taylor off to get me some sea salt, and he comes back with fancy schmancy sea salt.
Of course, Mediterranean sea salt, because we have a salt and pepper grinder.
So we are trying to get this chair, this swing over here. I did confess that he spit up on it and they said it was okay. All right, it is day 2, everybody. There have been several times where I just not thinking, just grabbed food and like almost put it in my mouth. I actually almost went to Wendy's twice. But overall, I would say I'm doing great. I have not cheated yet. What are you looking at? Who's Mama talking to? I'm pretty proud of myself, not gonna lie. This is really hard. I did not realize how important food was to me. For breakfast, I just made myself a shake with some flaxseed oil, and it honestly was pretty good. I'm about to make myself some dinner. I got this giant watermelon over here, this pineapple, and this squash that I need to figure out how, I don't even know how people cook squash. So anyways, I'm just gonna be doing that. I'm just so hungry. The key is to not let yourself get hungry, because then that's when you crave not good things.
Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.
Okay, hey everyone. So it has actually been several days since my cleanse ended. I did it 3 solid days, and then the next day I added in chicken, rice, oatmeal, and some ranch. I allowed myself to have ranch dressing because carrots, you just need ranch dressing with your salad and your carrots, okay? I genuinely feel like it helped heal my belly a lot, actually. I ended up losing several pounds, which was not my intention at all. I'm pretty sure I gained it all back though. But yeah, for the most part, I would highly, highly recommend this cleanse / diet. It is super hard, super hard. It's really hard for me, okay? I'm pretty much eating back to normal. I'm eating, that doesn't sound right. You know what I'm saying. And I feel like I've been doing a lot better and my belly has not been hurting. So I'm really proud of myself and I would say this was a success. Just woke my baby up. If you guys are considering doing this diet, I would highly recommend it. It is kind of hard to get started because I feel like a lot of the charts online aren't super consistent. So I will link some of the charts I follow down below. And when I say charts, I mean like food charts, like lists of food that you can / should eat. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. It wasn't super family oriented, but it was just kind of what I've been up to the past week, and I hope it was helpful or you guys learned something. If this is your first time seeing me or my little family, hey guys, what is up? I'm Nicole Jordan and I post vlogs like this every single Monday, and then I post music videos once a month. So if I were you, I would totally consider subscribing. You come be part of the family. Us, the Z Crew, would love to have you, and I will see you guys next week. Bye guys.